Urban gardening, it's a game changer, isn't it? Growing your own food in small spaces can be incredibly rewarding, and it's not just about getting your hands dirty. It's about taking control of what you eat, reducing your carbon footprint, and adding some greenery to your urban jungle. By embracing urban gardening, you're not only cultivating a more sustainable lifestyle, but you're also creating a sense of community and connection with nature. Let's face it, living in the city can be overwhelming. The concrete and steel skyscrapers, the hustle and bustle of daily life, the pollution and noise, it can take a toll on our mental and physical health. But urban gardening offers a respite from all that chaos. By growing your own food, you're creating a peaceful oasis in the midst of the city. You're also reducing your reliance on industrial agriculture, which is a significant contributor to greenhouse gas emissions. And let's not forget the satisfaction of biting into a fresh, juicy tomato or snipping off a handful of fragrant herbs, all grown in the comfort of your own home. Now, you might be thinking, but I don't have a big backyard or a green thumb. Don't worry, urban gardening is for anyone, regardless of space or experience. Even a small balcony or windowsill can be transformed into a thriving garden. You can use vertical planters, hanging baskets, or trellises to maximize your space and add some visual interest. And don't worry if you're new to gardening, there are plenty of resources online to help you get started. When it comes to choosing what to grow, the options are endless. Leafy greens like kale and spinach are perfect for small spaces and can be harvested in as little as 20 days. Herbs like basil and mint are also great choices and can add fresh flavor to any dish. If you're feeling more adventurous, you can try growing cherry tomatoes or cucumbers, which can thrive in containers. The key is to choose plants that are compact, disease-resistant, and can tolerate partial shade. One of the best things about urban gardening is the environmental benefits. By growing your own food, you're reducing your carbon footprint in several ways. For one, you're reducing the amount of transportation emissions associated with getting produce from the farm to your plate. You're also reducing packaging waste, which is a significant problem in the supermarket industry. And by using natural methods to control pests and diseases, you're avoiding the use of chemical pesticides and fertilizers that can harm the environment and human health. But urban gardening isn't just about reducing your carbon footprint, it's also about creating a more sustainable lifestyle. By growing your own food, you're taking control of what you eat and how it's produced. You're also creating a sense of community and connection with nature. Whether you're gardening alone or with friends and family, urban gardening is a great way to build relationships and foster a sense of belonging. In addition to the environmental benefits, urban gardening can also play a role in mitigating the urban heat island effect, improving air quality, and providing habitats for urban wildlife. By adding more greenery to your urban space, you're creating a cooler, cleaner, and more biodiverse environment. And let's not forget the mental health benefits. Being around plants can be incredibly calming and uplifting, reducing stress and anxiety. So, what are you waiting for? Get started with urban gardening today and start enjoying the benefits of growing your own food in small spaces. It's a fun, rewarding, and sustainable way to live, and it's easier than you think. With a little creativity and some basic gardening know-how, you can turn even the smallest space into a thriving garden. Happy gardening!